I'm really surprised it didn't get stuck. Alright. Really surprised it didn't get stuck. He's gonna ruin my little sea-doo pond.
He's making it a little wider.
Okay. Makes me feel better. I'm gonna have to get back in with the skid steer and clean it out.
Yeah. I believe if you go fast enough, you can jump it.
Yeah, go fast. Really fast. In fact, go right in the middle. Put both tires in the middle. It's 6 foot wide. Put both tires in the middle. Put both tires in the middle. It's 6 foot wide.
I had it in the middle, didn't I?
No, you had one tire up on the bank. See where you crushed the dirt in on the side?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, put both tires in the middle.
Did I bottom out?
No. Did pretty good, surprisingly. I thought he was gonna bottom out and boom, there would be stuck.
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh.
What did I bottom out on?
You just got real close. It just was really tight. It was just really tight against the bank.
Oh, dude.
You got it muddy.